guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just came home from the Sephora Press Event 2023 and yes, I'm going to show you guys what's in the bag. Also because I've got like very beautiful makeup on right now, so don't want to waste it. Makeup was touched up by Peter from Pat McGrath.
如何被一个帅哥化妆？看线应该是 Depends on my mood.
What's your mood today?
Tamarind bag. 我帮你 zoom in 他的脸。我一看就拿很可以不要笑吗？笑到我觉得很酸。Relax.
Okay, stop digressing. Let me show you. This is Sephora's Press Day goodie bag today. In this holographic plasticky bag. Super heavy. I emptied everything already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what's inside the bag. I'm gonna start with the hair product first. First product, this is, I've never seen this brand before, I think it's new. This is the answer. I feel like there's an E here, but it's gone. But well, it's an at-home keratin treatment kit. Inside, there's turn heads. Oop. Yeah, 3 product inside. This is the shampoo, treatment, and the conditioner. Next is JVN volumizing foam mousse. There's also another product from them. The instant recovery serum. I have no idea how to pronounce this, but this is so popular in the States. This is the Anti-Dendra Shampoo. Okay, next up we have the Sakai Prime Mist. It's an ultra fine priming mist that prepare hair for long-lasting styling. Ah, interesting. And then we've got a new brand from Korea. It's the Aromatica Wooden Dolphin Face and Body Massage Tool. And also we've got the wooden scalp brush, the body oil, narrowly and patchouli body oil. Then this is the Ritual hair oil. I tried this at the event and it smells so good. This one is the Virtue mask for cleaning hair. Oh my god, how do you know I need this? Whee! And we have the Brojo Destined for Density. Ooh, the serum. Brazilian Crush Pistachio and Salted Caramel. It's a perfume mist. This is the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. So you pyro to blow drying your hair. You spray this on and you brush it through. Moving on to the skincare product, shall we? So it's like the hair, skincare, then makeup. First product, Young Elephant Sea Firmer Fresh Day Serum. I think there's vitamin C, firming and brightening. Then we have the Dr. Denise Gross Vitamin C Lactic Oil-Free Radiant Moisturizer. We also have the mask. I'm gonna try this tonight. Whenever I feel my face needs some exfoliation, then I use this. It's like a chemical peel. It says daily peel, but I don't know. I just feel like maybe my skin don't need it every day. But yeah, it helps to exfoliate and smooth, and it's anti-aging also. So yeah, good for me. Love it. And we have the Claude de I don't know how to say this. I think it's like French. This is the primer. Cool. Improve the look of 8 signs of aging: crow's feet, puffiness, lip wrinkles. Oh, you can use on the lips as well. Fine lines, elasticity, nutrients, hydration, and radiance. Dr. Jart. Moving to the Korea side. Dr. Jart Pore Remedy Smoothing Primer. And this is the Pore Remedy Renewing Foam Cleanser. And also, let me show you. It's right here. Love this. So nice. This one is in 06. It's like very velvety. The color is very nice. So this is the hand cream, vegan soybean ceramide hand cream. Okay, then from Kopari, we've got the Moisture Whip ceramide cream. Ceramide is important for people who got dry skin. Like it helps to lock the moisture in. So it's good if you have dry skin and you know hyaluronic acid also will help. So Kopari. This one is the Niacinamide and Caffeine Eye Bright Cream. We have from Peter's Thomas Roth the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Rich Barrier Moisturizer. And also the Instant Firm No Filter Primer. Can you see this? Like the before and after difference. Quite impressive. Okay. Then we've got Allies of Skin Molecular Silk Amino Hydrating Cleanser, Enzymic and Arbutin Advanced Brightening Serum. Then we have new brand I've never received before. I think it's from Korea. Vegan Relief Facial Moisturizer plus Green Tea. And this one is the sunscreen SPF 50. And then we've got the Inkless Cleansing Balm and also the Hyaluronic Acid Serum. We've also had the First Aid Beauty Bounce Boosting Serum and the Anti-Chafe Stick. The Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. So cute, so small. This is Superbook Glow Screen SPF 40. This is the daily dose mineral SPF. And then we have the Pharmacy Wake Up Honey Eye Cream. This one is the Deep Sleep Overnight Cream from This Works. Okay, then for like body care, I think this is the Brazilian Bomb Cream from So Genero. It looks like this. Then we also have this one is the Elastic Cream. That looks like this. It's the pink and the yellow. I think it's for your body. Yep. Boost elasticity, replenish plump. Then this one is the Smooth, Tighten, and Fast Absorbing. Okay. Oh my god, last but not the least, we've got Pat McGrath Labs Rose Essence. I need to show you guys how pretty this is. Super duper pretty. It's like I saw it just now. Wait, can you see? Wait, can you see this right now? The packaging is, and it's pink, my favorite pink. Moving on to the makeup. Pat McGrath. This is on my eyes right now. This is what Peter used for me just now. I've always wanted to buy it, but 很不下心来，因为小贵。Look at this box. Look at this, the details, the makeup. Oh my god, so nice. This is the palette, the front, the back, and the colors. You know which color caught my eye first? This one. And when I swatched it, blew my mind away. The feel is very pigmented, it's very buttery. I'm gonna create a look or recreate this look next time. My baby, my new baby, oh my god. I'm gonna love you already. The beauty blender, the sweetest blend. Super cute! What is that? What got gummy bear inside? Very flawless cleansing set. Ooh. Okay, moving on to Tarte Cosmetics. We've got the Maracuja Juicy Glow. It's a foundation, the new one. With the Juicy Lipstick, Juicy Lip, and also lip liner. So cute. Everything in pink. Creaseless concealer from Tarte. Super cute. Mixed up with got Tarte eyeshadow. This is the Tarte Alert, the Energy. Very nice color. So earlier on at the showcase, they were like saying if girls don't know how to like blend colors and all that, right? You all can just use one row as a whole, you know? Like the darkest color to line, then to contour and all that. This is to highlight. Good idea. I feel like I'm a sucker for pink and purple, so if the packaging is already pink or purple, I will like it already. Like this one also, Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Top Matte Beauty Blush one. You can see this is the highlighter I'm using from Charlotte Tilbury as well. Then we also got another pink packaging from the Wonder Beauty Lip Retreat Lip Oil. Then we have the Natasha Denona Mini Pencil Palette. Super cute. Oh my god. The color is a bit more like unique. Okay, then we've got some products from Stila. It's all about the blur, instant blurring stick. I cannot wait to try this though. It sounds very interesting. Looks like this. Then we also have the Stay All Day Micro Liner. Oh yes! Yes, it's this kind. I love the crayon kind. Matte black. Let's go. From Dear Delilah. This is the Defining Mascara and also the Perfect Designing Eyeliner Waterproof Pencil. Oh my god, the packaging! So nice! So sleek! Oh, it's been brown. Let's go. And then, we've got Melixa Vegan Lip Butter. This one. And also Hourglass Satin Lipstick. Unlocked in Tropic Sea. Muse Dew Bomb. I think it's like a balmy texture. Different color though. This is the Dew Rose, and this one is like more coral. Then we have the Pixie by Petra on the Glow Bronzer. It's a tinted moisture stick. Last but not least, we've got products from Lipstick, the Intense Matte Lip Plus Cheek Pencil in these two colors. And also this one is all over face bronze color. You can use it for the face, lips and eyes in this color. Sun Kiss Cool Matte. That's all for the Sephora Prezi 2023. And oh my god, I'm very thankful. Thank you like PR people for always inviting us, and thank you Sephora for having us as well. If there's any products y'all like to see me try, let me know in the comment down below. Okay, bye, see you in the next one.